Alright, the wing rack is here. I'm gonna start unboxing it. I had to get a light out because I hate bright lights.
I got the wing rack from Sweetwater, so shout out to them. This will be replacing an X32 rack that I've been rocking for almost 10 years now. Here's the first look. As you can see, it's got a nice big screen, full functional screen, unlike the X32 that was just pretty utilitarian. You could almost mix a show if you had to with just the screen. 24 onboard preamps, 8 XLR outs, 16 stereo mix buses, 4 stereo main buses, and 16 matrix outs. Alright, so first thing we gotta do is get the old mixer out. We're taking everything out. Unplugging everything. It has some impressive effects processing from TC Electronics, Lexicon, EMT, SSL, Pultec, Neve, Focusrite, DDX, Universal Audio, and it's got a distressor built in. Super powerful little rack unit here. My buddies who does monitors showed me this. Of course, he had it figured out. Touch it back. And they are so much easier to work on. I did not like how that fit or looked, so I went back to the original plan. What you want to do with these is start them by hand to make sure they've started correctly, and go all the way through. They can misguide you. No pun intended. Alright, so now we get to the back here. This back panel really helps keep things tidy in the back. Did the inputs from the Snake first, and then here I am putting some lights in. And we have glow. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a really exciting addition to the Sonic Flow arsenal. We're glad to have this going out on shows now, and we are excited to have the X32 separate, so now we can use that for rentals as well. Y'all take care, and we'll see you on the next one.